record. Namaste, Myra. Okay, so we'll start in about a minute. हम लोग 1 मिनट में शुरू करेंगे. आज हम ऊ और मात्रा के शब्द पढ़ेंगे. So I'm going to share the screen in a second. Okay, so I hope you are seeing all this. I'm going to just make it bigger. Okay, ठीक है, सबको दिखाई दे रहा है? Okay, so आज हम ऊ मात्रा के शब्द पढ़ेंगे. ऊ मात्रा में अक्षर के नीचे मैं एडिट करके बताती हूँ. 1 मिनट. एनोटेशन का एनोटेशन. ओके, सो ये अक्षर के नीचे ऊ मात्रा है. जैसे अगर हमने लिखा क और क को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा कु और बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा कु और फिर ये है क्री. सो ये है क्री. ओके, so let's see if you can figure out the first one. Remember to draw the underline when you read your words. So ये पहला वाला क्या है? कौन बताएगा? के अमाया?
अगुआड़ा.
अगुआड़ा. बहुत अच्छा. अगुआड़ा. Okay, Anish, do you want to go with the next one? You have to unmute first yourself.
खा खा
आयु. बहुत अच्छा. ये य है. सो य को छोटी उ की मात्रा आयु. So the first letter is a with a matra. Okay, अगला कौन पढ़ेगा? Let me make okay, आद्या. ये वाला जो ऊंट के आयु के नीचे है, ये क्या है? ये वाला क्या है? क्या है माने व्हाट इज इट? ये वाला क्या है? I know there is this half moon and dot, so that may make it look confusing. This is just Chandra Bindi, so you're going to make it nasalize sound for that. So it's like a matra. So can you read it now? बहुत अच्छा. ऊंट. So I know this is, so everybody please make a note that if you see this kind of half moon and dot, then don't be confused by that or don't think, oh, I don't know this letter. क्योंकि इसमें this is just a nasalization. Just like we do the aha, that's the unt. Okay, Lakshmi. ये वाला?
ऊपर.
ऊपर. बहुत अच्छा. अंजिका?
ऋषि.
ऋषि. री. अ आ ई उ री. ऋषि. Okay, Ahika. So this is a big one. When you see a big word like this, see if you can break it in two. So like a 2-letter word and a 3-letter word. And then you can say it together. So try sounding it out. Zor se bolo.
Ku, ka, ta, the light.
ल को ई की मात्रा, तो इसको कैसे पढ़ना है?
ली.
ली. तो अब कैसे पूरा सब एक साथ बोलो?
कठपुतली.
कठपुतली. बहुत अच्छा, कठपुतली. ओके, एंड यू कैन सी द मीनिंग ऑफ कोर्स देयर. ओके, अनन्या, ये क्या है?
कुछ.
कुछ. बहुत अच्छा, कुछ. ओके, जहान.
कुछ. Ultra.
No, look, read again carefully. Let me remove the writing from there so that you can see it better. Can you see what is this? See carefully.
Ultra.
Try again. कू के बाद क्या है?
ल.
ल. And then
ध.
ध. And
र.
ra.
Rudra.
कुलधरा. कुलधरा. बहुत अच्छा. Okay, so let me move. I'm going to stop annotating here. Okay, so Kuldhara uske baad. Okay, now here it gets a little more complicated. Now you can see there are two letters connected. La is half and then it's connected to fi. So that means you're going to say it together and not separate. Okay, Anjika?
Kulfi.
Kulfi. Ka ko u ki matra. Ku. Kulfi. So not kulafi, but kulfi because it's conjunct. Okay, soham.
Kri.
Kri. बहुत अच्छा. So this is the re matra. Now as you can see, these u and re words are all together intermixed. So there you have to figure out what matra it is. So this is ka with a re matra, kri. Uske baad?
Three.
Three. Who is reading?
Sohan.
Okay, Sohan. Okay, actually I had asked Soham, but that's okay. Sohan is good. Okay. Tra with the E matra. Kri, tri, and then?
Ma.
Ma. Can you say it together?
Kutrima.
Kritrim, because this is a kri, re matra. Kritrim. Can you say that?
Kritrim.
Correct. Okay, bahut acha. Okay, now Soham Bothra. Can you read the next one, please?
Kutsha. Shiva.
Kri, kri, उसको क्र क को री. उसके बाद कौन सा अक्षर है? श. श की कौन सी मात्रा है?
Kri Shriva.
Not Shri. What is this letter?
Shri.
श.
Sh.
श को ई की मात्रा.
She.
She. So say it together.
Krishwa.
कृषिव. कृषिव. So जैसे हमारी कक्षा में एक बच्चे का नाम है कृषिव. So we are given this word with a re matra, कृषिव. Okay, Advik.
Goopy.
What is the matra for pha? Gupha. It's a pha matra. Gupha. Okay, अभी तक किसने बोला नहीं है? Who else is here? कौन है? Who did not I ask yet? Let's see. Myra. Myra, ये क्या है?
The movie one.
Huh?
I wanted to do the one that has movie.
You want to do the movie one? You don't want to do this one?
But I'll try it.
Okay.
Mana.
Look at the matra for gh, not g but gh की मात्रा क्या है?
That's the matra, like the
Oo matra, the long oo sound. So how will you put it together with the letter?
G,
It's not a g, it's a
G,
gh, and gh को ओ की मात्रा
G, G,
घू,
Ma, Na.
घूमना. बहुत अच्छा. So you have to say it together. घूमना. Okay, लस्या. Lasya, can you unmute and try this one?
Jurma.
Not j. ये कौन सा अक्षर है?
Churma.
चूरमा. बहुत अच्छा सा. चू with the ऊ मात्रा चूरमा. Okay, बहुत अच्छा. Okay, Naisha, can you do this one? See if you can sound out all the letters.
Taru.
बहुत अच्छा. Talroop. Now do you see this ra? It has a matra next to it. So the u matra
Yeah.
is given to ra next to it and not at the bottom. So that's an exception. So you'll
I
be
have a question.
okay.
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is this for this week's homework or next week's homework?
This homework I'll assign tonight, so it will be for this coming week before next Thursday.
Okay.
Okay, last week's was a, e matra words, right? Did you do those? Okay, so this is Talroop. Ra has a o matra next to it and not at the bottom. Okay, the last one in this column, Tanishka.
Tufan.
Tufan, बहुत अच्छा, because the f has a dot at the bottom, so it's a f and not a h. Tufan. Okay, let's see, going up here. Siddharth, can you see this one? So again, it's a big one. So make sure you cut it in 2 words so it becomes easier to read. Look at the first letter and उसकी मात्रा क्या है?
D. Do.
The with the u matra. So do, the, दूध, and then
Sa.
का,
Ra.
हाँ बहुत अच्छा. So can you say it all together? Can you say the whole word together now?
Dugsagar.
दूध सागर. बहुत अच्छा. Okay, who is next here? Anybody just coming in? आद्या आपकी सिस्टर है आज आपके साथ, आर्या?
Yeah, she's my dad is helping her get in, but she can come here.
Okay, if she wants to read this more.
Diyansh.
Okay, Dhiyansh is here. Okay, next time I'll ask Dhiyansh and then Vihan. Okay. So ये क्या है आर्या?
Sunshine?
Yeah. Do you recognize the letter?
The.
ध को ऊ की मात्रा. ऊ is at the bottom like this.
Dhoop.
हाँ, धूप. बहुत अच्छा. Okay, Dhiyansh.
Basuri.
Bansuri. बहुत अच्छा. Now you see that ba has a bindi. So you're going to say with the bansuri with a little bit of a nasalization. Bansuri. Okay, I know Myra wanted you this one. Okay, ये क्या है?
Movie.
Movie. You got the easy one, right? Okay. All right. So इसके बाद विहान.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Move.
Uh-huh.
Na.
Na, Yamuna. बहुत अच्छा. So remember to say the whole word together after you figure out the individual. Okay. So Dhruv. Dhruv, are you ready to read? Do you know the first letter?
No.
Okay. It's in the group of year. Do you remember?
It's la.
La, right? La. And then what is the next letter? Bhavika, are you here? Do you want to help?
It's a da.
Da has a halant. Have you seen the halant before? This slanted line, that means it's a half letter. That means it is connecting to the next letter. So it's a conjunct. So we're going to say it together instead of saying it separately. So can you say what is the last letter here? ये क्या है? Do you see the matra?
Do.
U matra, but what is the letter?
Do.
Do. And then how do you say it together now?
Laddu.
Laddu, because da has another do connected, so you have to say it with emphasis. Laddu and not ladu or not ladadu, but laddu. Okay. Who hasn't gone yet? Maybe Dhruv, you want to try this one?
Me.
Dhruv?
Li.
La has which matra? What is this matra? What matra words we are doing today?
Ullu.
Huh?
Ullu.
Ullu will be a different word, but this is only one letter. So we are doing this U matra today. U matra. See?
Lu.
Lu. Bahut acha. Just Lu. Lu is very extreme heat is Lu. Okay, now this one is a challenging one. Who wants to go for this one? Okay.
Me.
Who is saying? Who is me? You have to say your name.
Tia.
Huh?
Tia.
Dia. Okay, go ahead, Dia.
No, Tia.
Oh, Tia. I'm sorry. Tia, go ahead.
Voodoo. Voodoo. G.
Okay, very good try, but look again carefully. So first letter you got it va, but what is the matra?
Vree.
Vri, bahut acha. And then what is the next letter? The, and you see the halant at the bottom? That means it's only going to be pronounced as half letter and not a full letter. Now what is the last one?
Breathe the G.
ये क्या है?
G.
No. Look again carefully.
The.
Not the.
G.
Not ga.
Huh?
No. The.
The.
ये ध है. Ta, tha, the, dha. So this the and this the, they actually come one after the other. And the connected with the dha की मात्रा क्या है?
E.
Dhi. So now you're going to say it together. How can you say it together?
With the D.
Yes, very good. But instead of saying vriddhi, we'll say vriddhi. The is connected with dhi. Vriddhi, like in your name you say Thatte, right? So ta and ta connected. It's a conjunct letter. So this is also conjunct. Vriddhi. Okay, can you say that?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi. बहुत अच्छा. Okay, did everybody get how to read this word? Or is anybody not clear about how to read this halant? This is the halant at the bottom. That means it's connecting with the next letter, and this is a rematra. Is everybody clear on that?
I'm clear.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So I'm going to stop share for a second, and we're going to open the next one now. So let's see. Now this one is going to be a little bit more complicated in the sense it's not just one particular matra. These are all different matras now combined that we did so far. What all matras we did so far? Who remembers? Okay, Amaya.
We did A matra, E or E matra, and U matra.
Okay.
And Re.
And re. Okay. So let me share this one now. Where is this? Share. Okay, so let me make it bigger. Okay, Sahasra, are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, please read the first one. ये वाला. What is the first letter?
A.
And it has a bindi on the top. Bindi is the dot which is the matra. So how would you say it?
Ma.
Not no, but you have to say it with the with the matra. Okay, what is the last letter here? What is the second sound?
Thi.
Dhi. So how would you put it together?
Andhi.
Andhi. बहुत अच्छा. A has a bindi which is a matra, and dhi. So this is andhi. Okay. So we are also doing the matra today because we are doing the dot and then we are doing the conjunct sound. So there's a lot of new things happening today and we are doing good. Okay, who wants to go next? Naisha?
Call from Marietta, GA.
Okay. Naisha, are you ready? What is this letter?
Call from Marietta, GA.
Do you know the first letter? Naisha, I cannot hear you. Okay, Parnika, are you here? Ahika, is your sister here? Okay, Naisha or Parnika, who wants to go?
Can I go?
Who is this?
Aradhya.
Aradhya. Yeah, go ahead, Aradhya, please.
Bharat.
Bharat is you're reading the meaning, right? You're looking at India and saying the meaning, but you have to read the word that's given there. But good try.
In India.
India, it's actually written in Hindi. The word is English India, but it's written in Hindi. So this is the letter E from E. You can see up here it's E with a bindi, and then da ko E ki matra D, and here has a matra India. Okay, Mishka, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay, can you read this one, please?
There's a ka because there's the line.
So what is the line? What is it matra? What is wo matra kya hai? So how would you say it together?
Ka.
Ka, bahut acha, and then?
We have to add the
You have to recognize the letter first.
Kaju. Ja.
ज and j की मात्रा क्या है?
Kaju.
Ooh. So how would you say it together?
Kaju.
Kaju. Kaju. बहुत अच्छा. Okay, so ये वाला कौन पढ़ेगा? ये वाला कौन नहीं गया अभी तक? ओके, सोहन, वेमुला.
Kutub.
कुतुब, बहुत अच्छा. क और त दोनों को ऊ मात्रा है. They both have ऊ at the bottom. कुतुब. Okay, सोहम, बोथरा, are you here?
हाँ.
Okay, ये पढ़िए.
Guri. Guri sir.
But G doesn't have any matra. You see? गड़ी सर, बहुत अच्छा. गड़ी सर. Okay, Lakshmi. Now it's a big one. So can you see if you can break it in two?
Giri Jagar.
गिरिजाघर, that's the word for church in Hindi. गिरिजाघर, बहुत अच्छा. सहस्रा.
Chat.
चाट, बहुत अच्छा. अनन्या.
I can't see it. Okay. Chaya.
Chai. Chai, chai, बहुत अच्छा. Okay, let's see. Who wants to take this one? Let me go a little bit down here. Okay, Rishi, can you say this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Janavar.
जानवर, बहुत अच्छा. मोक्षा.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say that again, please.
Tar.
Thar. So it's a th with a a matra. Thar.
Tar.
That's a result in Jaisalmer. So you're reading all these words that you will read again in your camp. So Suhani, do you want to go this one? ये क्या है?
Oh, sorry. I accidentally raised my hand. I didn't mean to go. Hey, my hand isn't even raised.
Do you want to go or no?
I don't really want to go
Are you sure? Why not? Try it.
because I don't really know how to read in Hindi yet. I'm still working on it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Nivi, do you want to take this one?
I don't know how to read Hindi yet either. I'm still practicing.
Do you remember? Do you recognize this letter or no?
No.
Okay, Avani.
That's Dilli.
The or the ko e ki matra di, and then la is connected with ali, so it's Dilli. So again, it's a
Delhi.
Huh?
Can I read the next one?
Delhi.
Dilli, right? Okay.
Delhi.
Can I read
So,
one?
wait. So in English you say Delhi, but here it's in Hindi Dilli. You see the la and li connected because la is half connected with li, Dilli. So don't say Delhi in Hindi, it's Dilli. Okay, Ayana, are you ready for this one? Is Ayana ready here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dunya.
Dunia, बहुत अच्छा. Dunia, excellent. Okay, who else hasn't gone yet so far? Suhani, you want to try this one? Or no? This is, yeah, you. It's a smaller one. Maybe you can try this one. Do you recognize the first letter? It's in your name.
The first letter of my name.
It's the last letter of your first name.
Oh.
That's the last letter of
I
first name.
know what the what it is, but I don't know how to.
Okay,
I
so
know.
whatever you know, can you say that?
I know that the last letter of my first name is I.
No, that's in English. But if you sound it out, how do you sound it out? Say your name. Can you say your name, Suhani?
Suhani. Kinda
Ni. No. So in Hindi, we don't say that last letter is just the vowel. We say the no. Suhani. 3 sounds. So, ho, no. So this is no. And with the next letter is, can you recognize this letter? Nivi, do you recognize this letter?
Is it C?
It-
No, that's not C. Is it G?
It's a the with a e matra, like just like dunya is a the with a u matra. This is the with a e matra. So how would you say this? Aryan, can you read this word, please? The highlighted word.
Nadi.
Nadi. बहुत अच्छा. So no from Suhani's first name, last letter no and di. Okay, Anish, are you here for this one? Can you read this one? Who is it? Who? Dhyansh? I cannot hear you. Can you say it louder?
Nai.
Nandi.
No, this is not Nandi. Anish, can you try reading this one?
Nai.
Nahi. This is a her with a e matra and a dot at the top. So in this dot, we don't say nahi, no. We just make it nasalized. Nahi. Can you say it from the nose? Nahi.
Nahi. Nahi.
Ah, bahut acha. Nahi. Nahi is no. Nahi. Okay. Now this one has again the conjunct sound. Moksha, you want to take this one?
Okay.
Do you recognize the first letter?
No.
So it is a half letter. So see if you can, if you ignore this ya, what do you think this is half of which letter?
Pa.
Pa, because that line is missing, otherwise it is pa. So pa is connected with ya. So how you say that?
Pya.
Pya और pya को कौन सी मात्रा है?
A.
Ah. So how would you say that?
Pya.
Pya and then
Z.
za. Pyaj or pyaj, because sometimes if it's not dotted you can say pyaj, but many people call pyaz and it's okay, both of those are fine. Okay, ye wala. Suhani, you want to try this one? Do you recognize this one? Okay, Mishka.
I see a.
Wait, I recognize it, but I don't know if it's right.
Okay, what do you recognize, Suhani?
Is it Bada?
Bada. Are you saying just because the meaning is there?
No, I actually well, yeah, because I can't read, but I
Right,
know.
right. So you have to start reading more. If you can read, write better, then you will be able to do it just directly from the book and not by going by the, because you are getting the meaning only here. When the actually camp starts, you're not going to get the meaning of all these words. You'll have to just read it and figure it out by looking at the pictures. So make sure you start reading now. Okay. Next, Netra, can you say this one, please? Do you recognize the letter?
Yeah, I think so. Bug,
Bag. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Ba with a a matra, ba and go. So just like bag. यहाँ पे it was ba da. Now ba has a a matra and bag. Okay. Who wanted to go next? Okay. Okay, Tanishka, go. Bhagavan. बहुत अच्छा. So bhag with a a matra. Bhagavan. Okay, Avni, are you ready for this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Manchitra.
बहुत अच्छा. मानचित्र. शाबाश. ये थोड़ा लंबा है. This is a longer word and this is a tra letter. मानचित्र. बहुत अच्छा. Anjika, are you ready for this one? Cha, mooch. Cha. So cha doesn't have any matra here and moo has a dot. So it's a more like a mooch, like a nasalized sound, mooch. Okay, let me go a little bit higher up to see who wants to go next. Okay, maybe Dhruv. Dhruv, you want to try this one?
Can I go after him?
Who is this?
Jahan.
Oh yeah, Jahan, sure. Okay, Dhruv.
Rajma.
Rajma, because this is ra with a matra, ja and ma, Rajma. Okay, okay, wait, Jahan.
Lassi.
Lassi. So it is not lassi, but lassi. Why is it lassi?
Lassi.
Lassi, because the sa is half.
Lassi.
Yes, so you have to emphasize the sa because it's conjunct with the other si. So you cannot just say lassi or lassasi, but lassi. You have to put emphasis. Lassi. Okay. Let's see who else is here.
Can I go?
Who is
Can I
this?
go?
Dion.
Dhyan or Dhyansh?
Yeah.
Okay, go Dhyansh.
Sag.
Can I go next?
Sag. Okay, sure. Who is next?
Ananya.
Ananya. Go ahead, Ananya.
Ha.
Ha. बहुत अच्छा. So again, you see this half moon and a dot. That's called a Chandra Bindi. That means it's just a nasalization. We don't pronounce Han, but just Ha. Okay, very good. So I'm going to stop sharing for a second. Okay, does anybody have any doubts so far? No? Everybody is good? Okay, Bhavika, do you have a doubt? Do you have a question?
I have a question. Like, oh,
Go ahead, Bhavika.
What's the half circle with the dot on in the middle is?
Okay, so that's what I was just saying. The half moon, like a half circle or a half moon and a dot, it's just called Chandra Bindi. Chandra is half moon and Bindi is the dot. So we just make it nasalized sound. We don't necessarily say as a na, but for example, let me go to that word again so I can show you from there. So you see this, I'm not sharing it yet. Let's see. Okay, Bhavika, do you see this here now?
Yeah.
So here you will just say it as ha with a more, not just ha, but ha. Can you try that? Ha. So we are not saying han and we are not saying ha, but we are saying ha. So when you see this half moon and a dot, that means it's just a nasalized sound coming from your nose. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to stop sharing for a second. Okay, anybody else has any other question? Okay, Dhyan, do you want to say anything? Okay.
No.
No, okay, because I saw your hand up. Rishi, do you want to say anything? No, right? Okay. So I'm going
yeah, I have a question. I have a question.
okay.
I have a question on the word it was la and rock and ra and it had half ra and I have lasa adi, that one.
Okay, lassi, you mean to say?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so what is your question about it? So here,
Wait, so it. Sorry, I don't know.
go ahead.
So for that word, is it is that ra there? The
No,
second letter there?
no, this is a saw. If you see this saw without the vertical line, it is a half saw, and then it's connected with the C. So the C is full, but then first that's a second letter saw is half. So you're going to say it together, lassi. Do you understand?
Yeah, now I understand.
Okay, so same with here. Like you can see there's a la half and then there's a li full. So it becomes dilli. Instead of dilali or dilli, you say dilli. Do you see that? Yes? Okay, so we did a lot of conjuncts today, which means two sounds together, and we did the matra, we did u, short u, long u, and ri matra. Okay, so I'm going to do some, are you ready to write now? I'm going to tell you a word and that you can write on your own in the notebook without seeing. Can you do that? If I say the word, can you write it down? Okay, so let's, yes,
And then do you have to hold it up?
pardon, and then you have to hold it up. That's right. Okay, and this will be a new word. We're going to write now our friends' names here. So let's see if you can write Suhani, because Suhani has a U matra, A matra, and E matra. Let's see if you can write the word Suhani. And Suhani, you can write in your own notebook if you have written your name before. See if you can look at your name and write it down. And then whoever is ready, you can just hold it up, or you can, I have not, I disabled the chat today, so you can put in the chat, or you cannot share the screen unless you want to share the screen, but I don't think it's on the screen for you. Okay, Amaya, very good. But except that Suhani, ni will be a badi iki matra. And then sa with a u will go more to the left. So Lakshmi, your Suhani is going to the right. That matra should be a small u going to the left. Sesha, that Suha is correct, but the na with a badi iki matra, Suhani. Sahasra has got it right. Who else? Very good. Ananya has right.
check mine?
Who is this?
Jahan.
Vihan, where are you? Let me see.
Jahan.
Oh, Jahan, where are you? Okay, yeah. Jahan, you have it a long u matra. Can you make it a choti u ki matra? Suhani. So not Suhani, Suhani. Okay, that's good. Sohan has right. Moksha, let me see. Very good. Moksha has it correct. And yeah, very good. Suhani Vyas. Suhani wrote it right. Who else? Sesha, Shanmukha, Tanishka. Let me see yours. Okay, Aryan, did you write? No?
Can you look at mine?
Not yet.
Okay, so Vihan, you have it as Suhami. Can you make it Suhani? And Lakshmi, make it a badi iki matra for ni. Suhani. So su with a choti iki matra. Aradhya, you need to give a matra for her. Make it Suhani. Otherwise, it is Suhani right now. Aradhya, make it a matra for her. Suhani. If you can see, Amaya has written correct. Amaya. Tanishka, you have it long u sound. Su, make it a small u sound. Suhani, and na with a badi iki matra, long e sound. Okay,
Did
Shanmukha,
I write it correct?
who is asking? Ayana, you need to make a choti iki matra. Su, not su. Suhani. Okay,
I
same.
said Ananya.
Ananya, where are you? Let me see. Okay, Ananya, yeah, you got it right. Good job. Myra, you need to make it a small u matra. Su, ha, and the ni with a badi iki matra. Second,
Can you please check mine?
who is
Lasya.
Lasya, let me see, where are you? I cannot.
This one.
Lasya, Bhavika, I can see. Where is Lasya? Are you differently logged in, or are you with Bhavika?
Different.
I see Sesha, but Lasya, can you speak? So maybe it will light up.
Can you check mine? Now can you find me?
Yeah, that's very good. That's good, Lasya, I can see now.
Is the writing correct?
Who is this?
Lasya.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, Myra, you got it right now.
Can you check mine?
Yeah, Anjika, make this u matra below the sa. Right now it's going more to the left. Can you make it below the line of sa?
Check Jahan.
I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait, is this what we're supposed to write?
Yes, very good, Rishi. Good job.
Is mine better now?
Thanks.
Okay, Ayana, make a choti u ki matra, and then na will have a badi e ki matra to the right. Suhani. Suhani.
Is this better?
Yes.
Can you check mine?
Yeah, Tanishka, that is right. Sesha,
Can you check mine?
Mukha, you need to change it. Okay, who is asking?
Bhavika.
Bhavika, where are you? Say your name again so I can locate you.
Mine. Bhavika.
Okay, yeah, that's right, Bhavika. No, let me see. It was somebody else showing up. Bhavika. Bhavika, can you bring it closer to the camera? Even closer. Closer to the camera. Yeah, that's Suhani. But make sure you write below the line, Bhavika. You are writing above the line. Write it below the line. Okay, that's
Is
good.
mine good?
Can you check mine?
Mishka, that's correct. Yes, very good.
Can you check mine?
Aradhya, that is correct.
Can you check mine?
Okay, let me see. Yes, Suhani, I think I had told you already before that you have written it correct because you probably wrote
Can
it.
you check mine? Jahan.
Jahan, that is correct this time.
Can you check mine, Adya?
Adya, I can see your name. Can you hold it up so I can see the word Suhani? You have written your name, Adya, but not, and it should be with a the, Adya, not with a the. Can you write your name with a the, Adya?
I have. Can you check mine?
Hold it up. I cannot see the word Suhani.
Right.
Aryan, can you bring it closer to the camera?
Here.
Closer to the camera. Yeah. Yes, that is correct. Suhani. But except that u, there should be the u matra better under the su. Anjika, your matra is going differently. The circle comes first and then you give the line to the left. Look at your matra. For u matra, that it needs to be done differently.
I have a question.
Okay, Ayana.
सर पे छोटी ऊ की मात्रा या बड़ी ऊ?
Choti u ki matra.
Okay, so I have a question. Don't check mines.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, Soham, hold it closer. Soham, make it a badi e ki matra. Suhani, not Suhani, but Suhani, long e matra. Okay, Advik, do you have a question?
Yeah.
Who is this? Okay, Amaya has right. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now we have to write another name. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so now you're going to write. Okay, Sesha, bring it closer to the camera. And
It's Shamuka.
it's Shanmukha. Okay, Shanmukha, closer because I can see your face but not the writing. Okay, good. Good job, Shanmukha. Very nice. Okay, so now we're going to write Anjika. Can you write Anjika? A with a bindi ang, ja with a small e matra, and then ka with a matra. Anjika. See if you can hear it and write it. Anjika. If you all know it's in your I, U, ri, a, o, ang. Okay, Sesha is already ready. Good job, Anjika. Okay, that's right. Who else? Nicely done, Anjika. Yay, good job, Anjika. You wrote your own name. Nice. Okay, very good, Ananya. Nicely done. Okay, who else?
Thanks.
Lakshmi, can you make it the long, not long, but the short E sound? Anjika, not Anjika, Anjika. Jo needs to have a short E sound.
Can you check mine?
Okay,
This is
Jahan, Jahan, you wrote Anajika. Can you make it Anjika by giving a dot on Anjika, not Anajika? Sahasra, you need to give a matra to ko, Anjika. Otherwise, it is Anjik. Okay, Moksha, you have it right.
Can you check mine? Shanmukha.
Okay, Shanmukha. Okay, that is not right because first of all, there is no u matra. There's a and give a dot on an. Then you write a ja with a e matra, ka with a matra, Anjika. Sesha, can you help her because you had it right? Sure, please share with Shanmukha.
Can you check Jahan's?
Can you check Lasya's?
Yeah, Jahan is right. Okay, where is Lasya? Lasya, bring it closer. Okay, you have it as a Anjik. Can you make it Anjika with a matra for ka? Sahasra, you have it right. Myra, can you hold it closer to the camera? So Myra, you have it now Unajaka. So make it a with a bindi like a ang, and then ja with a e matra and ka with a matra. Anjika. Okay, Nivi has it right. Very good, Nivi. And Naisha, you have it no separately. Remove the no. Because see, you're giving the matra on or to make it un. Now you don't need to write no separately. Anjika. Tanishka has it right. And Vihan. Yeah, Vihan is correct. Who else is asking?
Can you check mine?
Aradhya has it right. And Soham, where are you? Let's see. Did Soham right? Okay, bring it closer, Soham. Okay, that's right. Anjika, good job, Soham. Myra, you need to remove the na completely because we are not going to write na. This is not Anajika, Anjika. A with a bindi and ja with a small e matra and ka, Anjika.
Is mine?
Yes, Amaya has it correct. Lakshmi, can you again ja with a e matra and then with a small e matra?
It is a small e.
No, small e will be to the left. Bring it closer.
It is to the left. And mine is to the left.
Bring it closer. Bring it closer. Okay, so okay, that's right now. But now you have that no extra in between. I was looking at that matra going to no, but the no should not be there because otherwise it becomes Anajika. We just need 3 sounds, 3 letters. Anjika. So
Can you check mine?
Lakshmi, remove your no completely. Okay. Sohan,
Can you check mine, Shanmukha?
Shanmukha, bring it closer to the camera. Anjika, that's right.
Teacher?
Yes. Who is this? Who is speaking?
Could you check my question?
Ayana, Ayana, give a bindi on a to make it Anjika. Otherwise, it is Ajika.
Can you check mine? Can you check mine?
Okay, guys, you need to first say your name and keep holding it up so I can. Yeah, that's correct, Ayana. Tanishka, Sohan is correct. Bhavika, give a matra to ka. Make it Anjika. Ka with a matra.
Can you check Myra's?
Myra, okay, bring it closer to the camera. You are right now holding it side. Okay, now Myra, make it complete. It looks like just a number 3.
Can you check mine?
When you give a line to the right and a standing line, and then Jo should have a small e matra. Look at Amaya's, everybody, right now. That is the correct one. If you can see, and she has written a big and it's in front of the camera. So see if you can check yours against Anjika's. So Myra, give a long, instead of long E, it should be small e. Small G, Jo with a matra to the left. Tanishka also has it right. So you can check Tanishka's or Amaya's or Mishka's is correct. Hold it up, girls, so they can all see. Okay, Sahasra has it right. And
Can you check mine, Bhavika's?
Bhavika, bring it closer. Ananya has it right. Nivi has it right. Bhavika, you need to bring it. Yeah, now I can see it. Okay, it's correct. Okay, let's go with something else now. Okay, we're going to
just screen share and put the.
Pardon me. Okay, so let's do another name now.
After I have a question.
Okay.
Do my name.
Okay, who has a question?
Miss Suhani.
Suhani, what is your question?
When does class
Ananya.
The class is ending in 4 minutes. Okay, Ananya, do you have a question? Okay, Nivi, do you have?
I have a suggestion.
Okay, go ahead with your suggestion.
Maybe like you can say the thing and then we can write it, and then after that you can share the whiteboard and write the correct answer.
Okay, that's a good one.
And then everybody can check theirs.
Okay, we can do that. Okay, so let's see now. This time we're going to go with the name. Okay, Rishi, because we already did your name. Okay, let's go with Myra this time. Myra. Can you sound it out? Mayara. Mayara. Look, don't think about the English spelling. Think about the Hindi sounds. Mayara. And then, as you said, I'm going to write it down and then, okay.
Can you check mine?
That is Mayara. Can you make it Mayara? Amaya, make it Mayara. You have it Mayara. Sahasra, you also have it Mayara. Everybody's writing as Mayara. Make it Mayara. Ayana, you have it right.
Now can you check mine?
Yeah, Myra, you need to make it a Ra. You just have it My. Sahasra has it right. And Jahan, you have it right. Okay, I'm going to share on the white screen like I got the suggestion. So let me try that now. Share screen, white. Okay, Nivi, make it Mayara. You have it Mayara. Make it a matra, Mayara. Okay, I'm going to write it here now. See if you can check it now. Ma, yo. You just have to say as it is. That's why there's no spelling to remember in Hindi. You sound it out and write it down. Mayara. Okay. So everybody got it.
If mine's correct.
Yeah, mine's correct.
Okay, if you can self-correct yourself now, that will be great. Okay, so now we're going to go with.
Mine's correct.
Okay, good job. Now we're going to go. Okay, now we're going to go with, let's say, Tanishka. Now there's going to be a double, there's a conjunct here. So you have to sound it out. Tanishka. It's a little bit more challenging word now. Tanishka. Ta, na with a small e. And then sh connected with a k with a matra, Tanishka. Anybody got it already? I know it's a complicated one. Tanishka. Advik, you got it? Do you want to share? Or you're not writing yet? Okay, Ananya, bring it closer. Okay, very good job, Ananya. Tanishka, perfect. Okay, Tanishka, you made it Tanishka. Can you make it a matra to make it Tanishka?
Auntie, actually, this is how I write my name. I know it.
No, but that looks like Tanishka because you need to, if you write, do you say your name as Tanishka or Tanishka?
Tanishka.
Tanishka, so you need to have a matra, otherwise it will not be read as Tanishka. Amaya, you need to write the second sh. Okay, I'm going to write it here now on the screen. Let me share it on the screen now. Okay, so it will be below Myra. Let me just first clear it up here. Okay, so you start with a ta, then na, with a choti e ki matra, tani, and then the second sh, tanish, because it's connected, we're going to write it only half. Tanishka. Yes?
It's already 7:31.
Yes, I know, but I had to finish this so everybody can see it and write it. Tanishka. Okay, it's not very good handwriting on the board here, but that's how it is. Tanishka. Okay, so who all got it right? I know this was a complicated one, but
I did.
okay.
I did. Well, bye. Was it like this? I was not really sure. Was it like this?
Say that again. Yeah, that's good, Ayana. That's good. Okay. Anybody has any question? Bring it. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay. Aradhya, you need to connect that sh with a ka. Right now it's separate Tanishaka. You need to make it connected, conjunct. Amaya, you have it right now. And Spesha, that's correct. Except your sh needs to be slightly different. That sh, half sh, is you have written it in the opposite way. Make it like a pa with a slanted line. Okay, good job.
Hariom.
Hariom. Okay, Namas. If anybody has a question, stay. Otherwise, I will see you to the homework.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye. Thank you. Namaste.
Oh, yes, Aradhya, that is correct. Namaste, Aradhya. Bye. Anybody else has any question?
Bye.
Bye. No, namaste. Good job. Keep up the good work. Bye. See ya. Okay. Bye, Netra. Bye, Aryan. Bye, Bhavika.
I didn't get how to write Tanishka.
Bye.
Bhavika, did you have a question?
Yeah, I didn't get how to write Tanishka.
You didn't get? Okay, I'm going to share it one more time. Share screen. Okay, do you see this is ta? Then na with a small e matra, tani. And then sh is half, the second sh connected with a ka and a tanishka.
Okay.
Okay, did everybody get it?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Namaste Arya, namaste Advik, namaste Adya. So Adya, I want you to write your name with a the and not a dha. Is your name Adya or Adhya? Do you know?
Adya.
You call it Adya?
Yes.
Okay, okay, in that case it is fine. Because otherwise the word is Adya. But if you say it Adya, that's fine. Okay. Bye, namaste.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Namaste.
Priya. Bye. Ayana.
Namaste.
Bye. Sesha. Bye. Adri.
I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
What is our homework?
The words that we read today, I will send the document. So you will write down those words and say those on the voice thread, and then you'll take your Ed Puzzle quiz.
Okay, how many times do you have to say it on the word voice track?
Just once. You will just read each word once, and then one time Varnamala, and then the words that we read today.
Okay,
Okay, namaste.
bye.
Bye.
Will there be an puzzle?
Yeah, there will be an Ed Puzzle on that. Yes. Okay. Namaste, Vasanti ji. Thank you. Thank you for all your